I'm going to use something from the mystery bag. If you guys have mystery bags, they've got lots of great mystery bags out right now. And I'm going to use the crown. So I have this angel sitting off in my garden, and when I was watering my flowers last night, I was like, this thing needs a makeover. I am going to start by painting this with Undercover Primer by Paint Pixie, because I want to give it a nice base. And then what I think I'm going to do is I kind of want to give it an old world look. So I'm going to use some Posh Chalk metallic paste in Brown Van Dyke to go over it. And then I'm going to fill it in with like this Posh Chalk patina, but maybe some copper too to give it like that aged look. I'm going to take this brush. Actually, I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to go in. So this is what it looks like just with that base coat on. And I am going to... All right, so I am going to get my spray bottle. I know, like... See how it's got that beautiful golden metallic compared to over here at the wing? So we've got the Posh Chalk. Now see, it's okay if you miss a couple spots, because now I'm going to go into it with the, I think I'm going to do some Pentart Antique Copper. So that's the copper. See how I'm just kind of dry brushing that copper? I just did this corner here. And then I'm going to go in with some green. I am going to spritz it a little bit and show you guys. So you brush that on. And then I just took a paper towel and just kind of like, what if I just do the wings that color? What do you guys think? Ooh, I kind of like that. Should I just do the wings instead of the whole body? What do you guys colors? Now let's just do a little bit. I like that idea because it's very detailed. It's like this green, you buff it on, it's kind of very similar to this wax paste. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this green. And what I wanted here, I kind of wanted it to look like copper. All right, so I'm taking this patina. This is Posh Chalk, and this is the color Aqua. Okay. And what I wanted to do is kind of like, give it some water. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this green and maybe just try it. I want it almost like wax. You know how you like stick wax like deep down in the crusty crevices and then wipe it off? That's kind of like down in the nooks and crannies, see? So it's kind of looks like it's got, like it's aged copper. Let's keep it in the green. Oh, is that pretty? I gotta do over here, it looks like. Do the back wings, and I'm just kind of like sporadically putting it, just hitting those thicker, see, just taking like where the wings are like thick and just kind of gooping it up in there. What do you guys think? But first we have to finish it off with some bling. I kind of like the mini crown, and then I am going to do the crown, and I don't know.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.